Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a $10 per referral and $10 for the person that is joining. So it's a win-win. You refer the person gets $10 and you yourself get $10. So this update has been on for a while, but I didn't drop it because there has been issues with the update. But I'm going to show you how you can do yours safely without having your account restricted. But yeah, just some heads up I want to tell you guys. If you know you already have an account with Krak on the same device, please don't use that device again. Go and create another device. Don't ever use the same device. You cannot do this update with the same device. If you want to loot it, you got to have multiple people that has $10, and also before you can get the $10, you need to have $10 because you're going to send $10 to your Kraken account. I'll explain more. So just have $10, which is about 15,000 approximately, which is less than because dollar is not 1,500. So let's go over to the video. So first of all, the things you're going to ensure you need is you're going to need Krak. Okay, you're going to need Krak. You're going to go to Play Store and you search for Krak. Then you install it. Then after installing Krak, you're going to need Windscribe. You're going to search for Windscribe. Windscribe VPN is free. You click on, you install it. Then after Windscribe, you're going to need MiniPay. So for MiniPay, we have a referral link in the description box. You can click on that link directly for MiniPay. Once you click on it to direct to this page, you just install it. Then we'll continue the video. Alright, so once the applications are downloaded, you're just going to click on the MiniPay link because you're going to start up to set up MiniPay. Now, for MiniPay, you're going to have to sign in with Google. Choose any of your Google account and sign in. Then wait for it to load up. So while I wait, I want to tell you guys that apart from that, you cannot use the same MiniPay account to send to the same Krak account. If there's a name difference, I'll show you how you can go about that. But any name difference that is apart from your normal name, it will just appear, it will not go through. So ensure that for every person you refer or for everybody you want to reach, to create a MiniPay account for that. Okay, so you click on next. You're going to have to put in your fingerprint. That's it. If your phone supports fingerprint, you actually put it. Now you're going to it's automatically set on country. You put in your number and click on next. After then, they are going to send you an OTP on your number. So ensure your number is WhatsApp, has WhatsApp on it. Okay, so you just put in the OTP. Then it's automatically verified. Then wait for it to verify. Alright, so here's how you can register on Krak. So first of all, you are going to open Windscribe. Now, if you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to create an account. So creating an account is free because they will give you about 1 GB. So you cannot click on continue with Google. Alright, so once you're logged in, I'm going to click on the search button. Then you're now going to type Canada. Then you can just select Toronto. Click on OK. Alright, so once it's connected like this, you're just going to go out. Ensure that your VPN is always connected to the application. That you don't have any issue. Now click on Krak. Okay, once the application are open, you click on create. Now you're going to put in your. Then you're going to click on add invite code. Now you're going to put in the invite code in the description box. Go to the description box and copy that invite code. Click on apply code and you put the invite code. Then if it shows you this message, click on done. Then click on continue. Then they are going to send you a verification code to your email. Click on no verification code, verification number. Okay, let's use that number. Alright, so after you are putting the OTP, you type in your password. After I put in your password, you just click on continue. Alright everyone, so once you have put in your password, you'll be directed here. Now you're going to click on country of residence. Now okay, not states. You click on country. Then you're going to search for Canada. Ensure you are doing this while connected to the VPN. You search for Canada. Then you click on Canada. Now you click on province. Now we are going to select any province. You can select Ontario. Then click on you accept the terms and conditions and click on continue. Okay, now you need to put in a Canadian number. This is the format 1142 332 333. Okay, so this is the format for Canadian number, something like this. Just ensure you start with 412. Then click on continue. Then they are going to send you a security code to the number. You just click on this back button so that we remove then you click on skip this step. So you don't really need to verify any Canadian number. Now you are going to put in your real legal name and legal and last name. Then you are going to need to verify your Krak tag. You can just use the silicon of this Krak card. Please do this thing while connected to VPN. You click on the select button and click on continue. Then you are going to really need to put your real date of birth and click on continue. Then you are going to need to search for the advisor. So for this, you click on search for address. Ensure you are doing this while connected to VPN. You type Canada. Then you search. Now you select anyone. Then you are now going to search for, since we use Ontario, so you are going to search for Ontario zip code on Google. Just search for it. Alright, so once it has passed, you just click on students. Click on continue. Then you are going to click on continue. Then I'm going to select basic, just random things, less than 1 year also, less than 50,000 cards, less than 100,000 cards, low, any random thing. Continue. Then click on continue also. You are going to select, since you selected that you're a student, it should be order. Click on continue. Less than that. Now the next thing is for you to verify your ID. So for verification, I would really advise you to use your NIN. Use your NIN card. Okay, your NIN premium card. NIN slip will just make your verification be pending for days and at the end to get rejected. So click on continue. Then now, where you are selecting the country, you are going to select your own time, whether you are Nigerian or not Nigerian. You just select Nigeria, you click on it, you click on continue. Then you are going to select national ID, that's your NIN premium. Then you follow the prompts in completing it. So once you are done with the Krak registration, you are going to need to fund your MiniPay wallet. So you open MiniPay, click on deposit. So there are different, you can deposit with NGN, wallet or exchange or virtual account. Don't use virtual accounts because we need a virtual account. So you are going to choose, and if you choose wallet or exchange, you click on continue. You'll be able to get a list of ways so that I can generate deposit. Just follow the prompts carefully. You can deposit with TOyelola, with wallet pay, or for those of you that you have cryptocurrencies. Now, for those of you that don't, we are going to click on deposit. We are going to click on NGN. So we are going to be deposit. First of all, we are going to check. We are going to deposit 15,000. Why? 15,000 should be about $10. So you click on continue and you wait for it. Alright, then after you are done, you are going to click on that select offer. Now you are going to click on show more. Then you are going to scroll down till you look for cash and click on it. Then you are going to use your legal name, your first name, last name, and then your email. Ensure that these are your real details. After then, you are going to need to verify your email. You send your OTP code to your email, just type it there, then you click on verify it. Alright, so once you are here, you just click on add your payment method. You're going to click on add bank account. You're going to put in your bank account name, and then the bank name, okay? After that, click on continue. Then you are going to need to transfer. So they are going to give you a secure agent. So you are going to transfer 15,000 naira. How you can do the transfer, you can just, if your phone supports something like this, you just or split screen so that you'll be able to use it to copy the account details. Don't use these details. So you copy your details and send the money to the person. Please ensure you send it using your account number. Don't use another person's account number. If not, they will not accept it. They will refund the money. Use your account number linked with your Cash App account. Alright, so once the money have been successfully received, it will be like this, then that's okay. So we are going to move into the second part of this. Alright, so this is how you can get your deposit details. So you are going to click on this button, click on it, then you are going to click on deposits. Now when deposit, you are going to deposit cash. Then for cash, since we are going to deposit euro, we are going to search for euro. Let's give it a moment. So okay, we are going to click on euro. Then we are going to select. So here's the thing: if you are going to use SEPA, you can use SEPA in a scenario where your name doesn't correlate with your SEPA details. I'll talk more about that. So we are going to be using SEPA Instant because SEPA is going to take 45 minutes. SEPA Instant will be in English, so you just click on SEPA Instant. Then I'm just going to click on I understand. Then I'm going to click on get deposit details. Alright, then if it shows you something like this, you're just going to click on select another deposit method. Then I'm going to click on go back. Then go back and select email. Then select SEPA. Then click on I understand. Then click on get deposit details. Then you give it a moment. Okay, once I've gotten these details, I'm going to need all these details. So for the account name, I'm going to copy this. Then bank name, you're not going to need bank name. You're going to need IP and ensure that it's SAPAN or SAPAN instant. Then that is all we are going to need. So I'm going to go back to the application and then you're going to use it, okay? Alright then, so once you have successfully gotten your details, you're going to click on pay. You're going to scroll down and see SEPA. You click on SEPA, click on continue. Then I'm going to click on individual. Then I'm going to put in your first name. Then I'm going to go and select your IPN that you got now from the application. I'm going to put in it. Then reference, you can just put in it. For the reference, you can just put in the name of the person. And click on continue. Then now I'm just going to click on, and you click on continue. And click on verify to continue. So then you're going to select your country. So we are going to select Nigeria. Okay, this method works specifically for Nigeria. Click on continue. Then you're going to select your email. You put in your email and then click on continue. After then click on continue. Then you are going to need to start verification. Okay. Alright, so you're going to first of all going to click on start verification and click on continue. Now, for the verification, the most easiest one is NIN to use. So you select, not NIN, BVN. So you're going to select BVN and click on continue. Then you put in your BVN and click on submit data. Alright then, so as you're here, you're going to need to do liveness check. So the same, I just the Kraken O. So I'm just going to click on continue and do the liveness check. After then, they're going to require you to submit your, put in Nigeria again. You're going to put in your country of residence, your tax country, your address, your number, and also other required details. Then you'll be directed to space. Now you're going to put what's your main salary. You can click on salary. You can say student. If you click on student, just click on. Just select random things per se, not really need to go what I'm doing. Using a test, I'm just employed. Industry, select any industry, banking and finance, less than 2 times per month. Click on continue. Then you wait for it to verify your personal info. And then it's going to require you to do this. So for here, you just click on receiving income from an employer and order. If it's going to say you to require something, then you just click on that. Then if you know, then you're just going to click on counterparts, just 1 to 5. Then that's it. Then they are going to select your main. Just select anything. Just say that. Then you just click on this. Then click on just this. Then click on continue. Then you give it a moment. After then, it's going to contract you to this page. Now you click on go back. Just click on X. Then you click on SEPA again. Then I'm going to click on pay. I'm going to complete your fingerprint verification. Then once it shows you, ensure that your details are correct, even when your money OTOyelola. So now that this 8.55 is on the way, you're just going to go back to the application and confirm that it's on the way, okay? Alright, so if your deposit was successful, they are going to send you a message that you have deposited 8.55 euros. You are going to deposit 8.55 because that is exactly $10. $10 with a few money or monetary value. So now you're going to go back to the application. Okay, so it's also showing the application that the deposit of the euro is successful. Now, once you are here, you're going to click on send. So you're going to send this money, okay? Now, when sending the money, I'm going to attach my KrakPay username that you sent it because my referral code is going to be different from my username. So the username the one I'm using in this video, don't send to it. Send to the one that I attached in the description box and ensure that it's the correct one. So I'm going to be using this username. Alright now, so if you are going to send it, you wait for it to load up. Please ensure that you confirm your username, okay? So you are going to select the US dollar, then I'm going to select euro. So you're still going to send it in US dollar. We are just going to send euro. I'm going to send the maximum, that's $10. Ensure that you send $10. Sending less than $10 is not worth it. Then click on the send button. Then they're just going to click on send. Then it show you passkey, then just click on continue. Now, please, once you have sent the money to my account, please send me a DM, my WhatsApp number. You can trust me, okay? I will not steal your money. So you can use the money, right? So that you just be able to send the money to my account. And once you send the money to my account, I will now help you send it back, because you need to perform the sending task. If you don't perform the task, depositing alone will not complete the money. You need to deposit, you need to send, okay? So that's where you will be able to be secured to earn your $10, okay? But if you don't have anybody, I'm here, I will help you. So you just send a message. I will attach a wire link in the description box. You send a message to me. So once you send a message to me, and you send me with the relevant details, you're going to send a screenshot. I'll show you how you're going to do it, okay? Just make sure that your details are complete. So now, as you can see, you're just trying to create a passkey. Alright then, so once the send is going to show you the sent message, then you're now going to wait for me. So after then, you'll be on your track to earn the $10. So I'll show you how you can confirm it, okay? Alright, so how you can confirm it is that you see this message, you have earned your bonus. So now, after you have earned your bonus, you are going to send me DM so that I will refund you back your $10. I'll also show you how you can withdraw your $10 back, and you can you can do other accounts if you want to. So if you go over here and then you click on invite friend, you can invite up to 40 friends, which is $400. So you get $10, $100. You scroll down, then you'll be able to see your referral link. So if you click on copy referral link, you'll get access to your referral link, or if you click on invite link, or you can see that there's a sign-up code. So this is sign-up code you give to people. This is my sign-up code. Other people will have their own sign-up code. So you just copy the sign-up code and send it to people to be able to do referral. Now, before I move on, here's how you can get the money back from me, okay? So you go back, then you click on the receipt, you click on it. Then we are going to screenshot this home page for me. We are going to screenshot everything. Once screenshot everything, send it to the wire link in the video description. You can trust me, I will not run you with your funds. For those of you that are doing it, then remember that we are going to pay $10 for both that join that person. Both of you guys are going to get your $10 by Friday. That's next tomorrow. So because I've made this video on Wednesday, and this video should be live by Wednesday or Thursday. Oh yeah, this video is by this today and get your payment today. Less than 48 hours. Alright guys, so when I'm supposed to show how to withdraw from Krak, but I will not show it now because this video is getting very long. So I'm going to create another video where I will share you the details on how to withdraw your $10 from Krak once I send it to you. Okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. I have my WhatsApp group in the description box to share updates here, and also you can send message to any of the admins if you have any issue. If you don't want to go through the normal method, you can join the group and also send message to one of the admins if you have sent your money via to the Krak the Krak tag I gave you. And please ensure that if you are doing any of these transactions, go through it thoroughly. If I drop any video tutorials, watch it thoroughly, because you might miss something, and that's something that watching your money. And also, in case if you receive an email that your account was kind of suspended, don't worry, send message to their customer care via X, and then they won't suspend it. They are going to ban the account, and if they ban the account, don't use that account to create an account to go for Krak. Don't use that phone to create another. So this is another method for you guys to cover the gas fees you wasted on Krak end for those that did your video. So while you are watching this video, if you guys know videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on notification bell to get notified of videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.